Do you want YouTube to recommend your video? Or do you want your video to appear on YouTube search? So that whenever anybody is searching for anything similar or related to your content on YouTube, your video is going to be among those to pop up in the YouTube search. And also, I would like to ask you, do you want your video to appear in Google search? If your answer to all of this is yes, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix all of that in no time. As you can see on the screen right here, as you can see me pointing towards it, this is an example of one in my video when my video is actually showing up in Google search. Now, let me show you how to do this. So before I title my video, I come over to the YouTube app, click on the search icon, and then I enter the main discourse, like the main keyword of what I want to talk about. Let's say I want to talk about 4,000 watch hour, for example. Like that's what the video entails. Instead of just going to title it, I'll come right here. As you can see, there are several options. 4,000 watch hour YouTube, 4,000 watch hour YouTube trick. I'm not going to be following any of these anyways. I'll just click on this front right here, click on asterisk and space it out. So you can see now these are the SEO titles that can actually help you rank not only on YouTube, on Google search. So try this for your channel and try it for your next video. Come back and thank me later. Bye guys.